From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. And the name of this video, the S&P 500 Futures and Mutual Fund Monday. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 208.8230 early afternoon. The low came in at 207.05 half early in the day. And last, we're 207.80. We're up 8 handles on the day. Total volume is 1.1 million minis trade and 5,000 big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, the MIM was showing like 100 million for sale, and then it flip-flopped to like 50 million to buy, and the actual MOC came out by 380 million. Tomorrow we have the Redbook, we have the MBA Small Business Optimism Index, we have the JOLTS number, we have the Wholesale Trade number, and a 3-year note auction. As I said, in my earlier video, it's a very, very light economic calendar this week. Now, what is Mutual Fund Monday? Mutual Fund Monday used to be like a favored buy day for the mutual funds, where if they had money that they had to put to work on, money that came in on Thursday and Friday, sat in the account till over the weekend, then was put to work on Mondays. But like all these kind of old rules that we see, they've been obliterated by the algorithms, as the algorithms picked up on a lot of these patterns. Now, we've got Mutual Fund Monday closing higher today, but Mutual Fund Monday over the last 8 sessions has the S&P up 4 and down 4, the last 4, not including today. Now, after a little early pullback in the S&P went back down to the VWAP. I was trying to point that out to the guys in the room, how when you see a little bit of buying above and below the VWAP, generally means that somebody's accumulating S&Ps, and then right after that pattern showed up, the S&P kind of started to grind higher. Very, very quiet day. At the end of the day, all I can say is that the overall price action is somewhat firm going out, but the volumes are very low. So you know what? That kind of leaves me to think that there's still a little bit of a possibility here. We can pull back during the week, and then we'll be looking for the PitBull Thursday, Friday low. We're going to leave it like that, going out on a quiet note, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on the opening print.